This is my new car, BYD Seagull. Back lamp, there is an LED lamp that extends, covers the width of the car. There's a fake diffuser. There's this plastic thing around the wheels that gives some feeling of ruggedness, and you can see the wheel itself. The wheel is 175/55 with a radius of 16 inch. Let's check what's under the hood. So you have the motor, the electric motor. What's that? That's clean filter cap before removing use only. DOT for that's a brake fluid. I don't see where is the. It's probably the cooling water. This is a small battery. Can't see where's the air washer, the wiper wash fluid. Huh. Can't see it. Probably. Anyway, so we can see the brake fluid, we can see the engine or the electric motor. Oh, here, these are the wiper wash fluids addition. And this is coolant, I think, the coolant fluid. This is the brake fluid, and this is the battery, small battery. This is the front. I figured the effect of the Lamborghini designer is apparent. It's like a mini Lamborghini. Open the trunk. To open the trunk, you go this button. Of course, the trunk is manual. Well, at this price you don't expect more than that. This is what you have underneath. You have the mandatory fire extinguisher that you have to get for the DMV. You have the tire sealer and inflator that comes with the car. I bought some battery air pump. This is the home charger, and these are some tools that came along with the car, and this is a shade. Obviously you can see the bubble plastic that I have put because I didn't get or buy a mat for the trunk. Now obviously it's not a big trunk. I would estimate it can take one full suitcase or two small two carry-ons stacked next to each other, but obviously you can actually, if you pull that thing, you can lower down the back seat. Let me do that. So that's the space when you lower the back seat, which is quite good. I mean, if you don't have a family, if you're like a man and his partner, his wife, or no kids, then that's probably good enough. Obviously, if you have a family, that will not be good enough. The seating is, let's see. Now, this is the door, and I think it looks nice. There's even stitching here, what appears to be like, I think it's a faux leather. And these are the back seats. Now, I have actually pushed my driver's seat to the maximum that I would like to, and I still have enough space here, and obviously there is ample space above my head. I'm 5'9" or 178, 77. Yeah, I think it's good. There's no the floor is, I mean, it can accommodate 3 passengers in the back seat, which is, I think, good. And you have this this hole. I don't know if you can see. No, you cannot see through it unless you're a kid. And then you can see the infotainment screen, which means that if there is a movie on display, you can still see it. This is a driver's seat. Now, the driving experience is quite good, actually. The steering can be adjusted in 2 ways. Like it goes in and it can move around, like up and down, and actually I think you can pull it even to your direction. And you have a mobile phone charger that you can switch off from the screen. This is the passenger seat. I think it's quite comfortable, and you have here LED lights. There's really nothing else. You have a mirror, and you have a mirror on the other side as well. There is even a light there. I think it's a light, I'm not sure. Haven't experienced this one before. And here, this is what you have. You have the window controls, the mirror controls, and the lock, the central lock. Now you press on the side, the direction, which mirror you want to adjust, here or here, and then you adjust it. They do not fold. You have to fold them by hand. If I switch on the car, this is the screen. It's quite good. Obviously, because there is a very strong sun outside, it's the view isn't really very clear on the screen from when filming, but in reality it's good. And you get the main infotainment screen, and it does have a USB-C entry port. There is here you have a USB-A entry and a 12-volt socket, and some space here to save stuff. This one does not open, and then you have 2 cup holders behind the charger. Actually, it's very good. The location of the charger is very good, because when you put the mobile, it's as if you are actually making it available for you to see. So it's very comfortable. It's like a second screen underneath the infotainment screen. And then you have the controls here. So you have the gear up and down. Here you can control the traction. You can switch it off. Here, this is for the snow. It's a snow mode. So if the roads are slippery, this is auto hold, the hazard lights, the AC, the ventilator, and the defrog. This one is for the radio or whatever media you have. Now this car does not have an analog radio or a regular radio. It only has an online radio. That's why I have tune in here. So and then you have the vents, the AC vents, and there is this yellow color which matches the car. It's quite nice actually. The overall, the interior design of the car, the console and the car in a whole, the car design, the interior design is quite good.